Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cold soba noodles, a perfect meal for any time. We'll start by cooking the soba, then move on to preparing a simple yet flavorful dipping sauce. Finally, I'll guide you through assembling your dish with some fantastic topping ideas. This easy guide will have you enjoying homemade cold soba in no time, offering a delightful and refreshing culinary experience. To begin, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Add about 200 grams of dried soba noodles and cook them according to package directions, usually around 4 minutes. Stir gently to ensure they don't clump. Once cooked, drain the noodles immediately and rinse them very well under cold, running water to remove excess starch. For extra chill, place them in an ice bath for a few minutes before draining again. Now, let's create the essential dipping sauce, or tsuyu. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and stir until it dissolves completely. Finally, incorporate 1/2 cup of dashi stock for that authentic umami depth. Give it a good mix and then chill the sauce in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. With your noodles and sauce perfectly chilled, it's time to assemble. Divide the cold soba noodles among individual serving plates, arranging them attractively. Pour the chilled dipping sauce into small, separate bowls for each diner. Now, get creative with your toppings. Sliced green onions, toasted nori seaweed strips, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds are classic choices. Serve immediately and savor the delightful, cool taste of your homemade cold soba.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.